Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will be showing you how you can extract frame or an image from a video in React Native's new architecture for Android using Media 3. So let's get started. So first let me show you guys the output. So here I have this button called pick image. I'll just click on it. It will open the image picker, video picker for me. So here you can see I have two videos. I'll just select the second video. As soon as I select, it extracts the frame. Now I'm extracting the frame at 5th second. So whatever is the image at the 5th second, I'm extracting the frame from this video, but you can change this value to whatever you feel like. Now I was also trying to play the video as well, but for some reason I'm getting an error, but I'll just show you the video. So like I said, this is the frame from the 5th second. So I'll just play the video just to prove it to you as well. So yeah, this is the video. I'll just make the volume a little bit down. So here you can see it is almost 5th second. So there is a little bit of delay, I guess, but it is almost 5th second. It is a little milliseconds delay. So if I just go back to here, you can see 4th second here. Okay, so this particular part, it is almost 5th second, but yeah, little bit of millisecond delay, which according to me is fine. So yeah, let's see how to achieve this. So first you just have to you need to come to this particular documentation over here. I'm using React Native 82. So first you need to create this run this particular command to create a React Native project. You don't need to specify the version, like if you don't specify the version, whatever is the latest, it will pick that up. And instead of turbo module example, you can write whatever project name you want to give. Okay, then here in this particular documentation, they have given us the example of local storage. So local storage does not make sense in our case. So instead of local storage, I have named it as I think extract frame. Okay, so wherever you see local storage in this particular documentation, you have to replace it with extract frame. So first I have installed few dependencies. I'll quickly show you that. Package.json. So I have installed these two dependencies, React Native image picker as well as React Native video. So make sure you add these two dependencies. Once you have added these two dependencies, then you can just go to first if we go to the documentation, it tells us to create the specs folder. So that's what I have done. I have created a specs folder. Inside that you need to create this TypeScript file, native extract frame.ts. So here you can see instead of local storage, I have named it as extract frame. Now I have just copy pasted all this code, but I have made few changes. So here you can see I have just copy pasted all this code. I don't require 4 methods. I only require one method, which will take the video URL, selected video URL, and the time in which you want to extract the frame. Now please note the time is in milliseconds. It is not in seconds whenever you are passing it. And here we return the string, basically a base64 image, to display it inside our image view. Also, one more thing which I forgot to tell, at the time of me recording, there is no third-party library available to achieve this particular functionality. That's why we need to write native code. So here you can see we have this method called native extract frame. Okay, again I have replaced this instead of native local storage. Then if you scroll down here, you need to copy paste this code gen config. So here you can see inside package.json, I have just copy pasted this particular bit of code. Again here I have written native extract frame spec, and here again I have changed it to native extract frame. So make sure you do that as well. Once that is done, again scroll down and you just have to copy paste these two commands and go to the root of your React Native project and paste it over here. Now this will do code generation. One more thing which I want to tell you, inside the specs folder, the name of your TypeScript file should start with the word native. If you don't write native at the start, React Native won't be able to do code generation for your file. So do keep that in mind. So let's just wait for this to finish. So here you can see build was successful. Once that is done, again scroll down. Let's see how to use it first. So you just have to go to app.tsx. You can add all this import. Now like I said, this React Native video is not playing the video. I don't know why. So if you know, do let me know in the comment. Here we have a base64 state which we get from native side, and one state for setting the video URI. Here is our button, and on click of it we just launch image library. We are filtering by video. Selection limit is 1, and if it is greater than 0, we just get the first base64 selected image. Okay, so this is not base 64, sorry, this is not really required, sorry about that. This was just part of my debugging. And we require the URI of the selected video, and here you need to pass the second or millisecond rather, on which you want to extract the frame. So you can change this value to whatever you feel like. Then here we get the video URI, here we get the base 64 as well. Okay, then here in case base 64 is not equal to empty, so once it is set, we just display the image. Now same I was doing for video URI as well. For displaying the video, again I'm not able to play the video. I don't know why, because I'm getting this particular issue. This could be because I'm using Media 3 as well, and this might be conflicting with the React Native video, which internally uses, I'm not sure, Media 3 or XO player. So yeah, it could be related to that. Then you just need to go to Android folder, go to app, go to src, go to main java com, and here I have you need to create this native extract frame. So if you see the docs as well, that's what they tell you. Here you can see. Now here we can't really copy paste this file because the implementation will be completely different, but we need to create this file called native extract frame module.kt. So firstly, these are all the imports over here. Then here we have to annotate with @unstable API, because at the time of me recording these APIs are a bit unstable. Firstly, also before you go to that, you need to go to build.gradle, and inside dependency you need to add Media 3 XO player. I think maybe because of this it is causing the issue, the React Native video thing. Maybe you can try to comment this out. I'm not sure if this is a mandatory dependency or not. Then Media 3 UI, Media 3 common, these two are mandatory. I'm pretty sure about this. Media 3 inspector and concurrent future KTX. Now this Media 3 inspector is still in beta at the time of me recording this video, so make sure you comment it out as well. Like, not comment it out, you upgrade it to stable in case if it does become stable at the time of you guys watching the video. Sorry, my head is not at the right place today. So here we are overriding the extract frame method, and here we launch a coroutine. We get the media item from the video URL. Then we use frame extractor, and if Android version greater than or equal to upside down cupcake, then you can also extract HDR frames. Okay, but I am using below upside down cake, that's why I just extract normal image. If you want to pass any Media 3 effect to this, you can pass it. I have commented this one out. Okay, then here we do frame extractor dot get frame. We close our frame extractor, we get the bitmap out of it, we convert it to base 64 and send it back to React Native side. And this is a mandatory code which you need to write. This is helper method for converting bitmap to base 64. Then here we have another file called native extract frame package.kt. Again, these are all the imports. This I have copy pasted it from the documentation. Only thing is, let me show you here. Only thing is you need to replace native local storage with native extract frame. All right, rest everything I have copied it from the docs. Then let me scroll down, and here you need to add this particular bit of code as well. So you just need to go to test app main application.kt. make sure you add this line of code and add this line of code as well. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.